Welcome back. Today I am going to demonstrate how to fold a quilt pattern, and the specific quilt pattern that we are going to create is one called the North Star. This would be a quilt pattern that was often used in quilts to help enslaved people reach freedom. So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so the materials that you're going to need for this to get started is a square piece of paper. So this piece of paper I've cut is about a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper. You'll need a pencil with erasers and a ruler. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this piece of paper into 16 even squares. Yes, I said 16 even squares. So we're going to start off by folding it in half. We want to make sure that the two sides meet up. Once you they've got the two sides meeting up, you can make sure you hold on to it and you can press your paper in half. Sometimes you can use the side of your nail to do the make the fold crisp. Okay. The next thing is we're going to fold it in half again. So we're going to let this top part reach. Oops. The top here. You're just going to have to do your best. Sometimes it gets a little harder to fold. I'm going to press here and here, and I can also use the side of my pencil like this to crisp those folds. So now we're going to fold it in half this way. So we'll take it to where this edge touches this edge. Okay, pull this back, and then we're going to crisp this. Now, if you find that, like mine, it kind of crumples up a little bit, you can use the side of your pencil. It makes it easier when you keep folding it. It makes it easier if you kind of fold out, crisp up those folds. And then we're going to have to do one more fold. So we go like this, we're going to reach the edge, and you can see that it's going to be making a square like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take my ruler again. Not my ruler, I'm sorry, my pencil. And over like that. And then when we open it back up, oh, you'll see all the little squares that we're going to have. You see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 going across, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 going down. 4 times 4 makes 16. All right. Now the next step is to begin to trace lines over these folds. And to do that, you're going to want to use your ruler. Okay, so I'll bring my ruler over here, line it up on that fold. See? Okay, I'm going to press my hand down, and I'm going to use my pencil, and I'm going to line it up right against my ruler and just run it all the way down. And you're going to keep doing that 1, 2, 3 times. Always on the fold. Okay. Do the same thing here. And then we're going to do our last one right here. Make sure I'm lining it up at the top and at the bottom. And now we are going to do the same thing to the lines going across. So We'll line up our ruler here, the corners here and here, and we're going to draw a line going across. But you can see that the squares now, it's like a grid. Okay. We're going to do another one here. We've got one more to go. There you see. Voila! We have all of those squares ready to draw. This is the end of the video to show you how to divide your paper into the 16 squares. Make sure you tune into the next video to show you how to turn this into the North Star.